First, mark a horizontal line around the room at the desired height. Use a level to get the line perfectly level. Decide on the size and profile you want to use. There are various sizes and patterns available. Starting at a suitable point, mark off the length of molding to be cut, noting in which direction the meter needs to be cut. Use a saw and a wood block to cut it. Smooth down any rough edges with sandpaper. Now you can try the molding for size. Position another piece of molding to cut the external 90-degree angle. Again, mark the position of the meter cut, noting the direction. Cut to size as you did before. Now try the two pieces of molding together, checking the accuracy of the meter. As with the bath panel, it's a good idea at least to start the pins or nails into the molding. We're actually fixing the molding up with the wall border adhesive. Once this is straight, the pins can be removed.